Okay, so hi everyone. Let's go back to the book. So right now we're in chapter 4. So sometimes, remember in high school algebra, you had equations like x squared plus 2x plus 3. And what you had to do were factorize this into components. So what's going on here is that sometimes we have building blocks. Those building blocks could be made of smaller building blocks, where those building blocks are the basic components of the idea that you're trying to understand. So, having said this, let's start defining what a polynomial is. A polynomial with coefficients in R is an expression of the form a naught plus a1x plus blah 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 until to an xn. So in this case, like, you might ask the question, what is x to begin with? So x will live, for now it's unknown. For now it is an unknown question. And later we will see what x actually means. So let's go to the first theorem of this result. So theorem 4.1. If R is a ring, then there exists a ring T containing an element X that is not in R and has the following properties. What are those properties? It is the following. So first of all, R is a subring of T. Subring of T. We have the second conditions is X commutes with every other element of R. So AX is the same thing as XA for every A in R. The third thing is the set R of X of all elements of T, of the form A naught plus A1x plus A2x squared plus blah 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 plus ANXN is a subring of T and contains R. Is a subring of T and contains R. That contains R. And the representation representation of elements of R of x is unique. If n is less than or equal to m and a naught plus a1x plus blah 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 until a n xn is equal to b naught plus b1 x all the way to bm xm, or actually bn xn, then we have that ai is equal to bi for i is equal to 1 all the way to n. Let's make this bm and bm, and bi is equal to 0 of the ring for each I bigger than n. And the last thing is that a naught plus a1x plus a2x squared plus blah 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 all the way to an xn is equal to 0r if and only if ai is equal to 0r for all. So this would be the zero polynomial. Actually, is wrong here. There's a mistake here in the book. So this would be 0 of the polynomial r of x. All right. So let us define now yeah, I guess let's start working in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'll be continuing in the next following video. Bye now.